To use the event scheduler, you need to click on scheduler here, and then you can see two tabs on the top. One is date and time slots tab, another is venues, tracks, subsessions, and speakers tab. So the date and time slots tab lists all the sessions where you can move sessions between dates or between time slots, and you can also move unscheduled sessions into a specific time slot or date. So take this as an example list. You can also switch to day, and there you can move a specific session into a specific time slot. And similarly, if you go to the month tab, you can see all the sessions in that specific month, and you can then move a session from this date to another date. You simply have to click on this and then drag and drop it into the another date. So to change the date, you need to use the month or week tab. To change the time slot, you need to use the day tab, and then simply drag and drop it into the respective time slots. Now, the venues and tracks tab is used to drag and drop venues, tracks, presentations, and speakers and moderators into the respective sessions. So select speakers first, and then you would see the list of all the speakers that you have in the system. Then you can select the speaker that you want to add to a specific session, and then click on and drag it, drop it into that session. Similarly, you can drag and drop moderators into a session. So I would select this moderator and drag it into this session. Similarly, you can also move abstracts. Subsessions are basically abstracts which have been accepted. So you can select an accepted abstract and then move it to a session that this is going to be a part of. And if this session is already, this presentation is already added in that session, then it would display a warning message right on the top right corner. You can also remove presentations from a session. You just need to click on this close button, and then it would be removed. So if you want to move any of these sessions presentations into another session, just select it, and then it would be displayed here. So you can also search for, let's say you have thousands of accepted abstracts. So you can instead search for it by simply typing in the name. And if you want to change the venue of one of these sessions, you can select the venue and then drag it into the session or venue you want to change. So I want to change this session's venue. So the new venue would replace the old venue for this session. You can do the same with the tracks and formats, and once this is all done, you can click on the preview button to see the preview of the event schedule. So this is the whole tutorial on how to use the drag and drop event scheduler to build your program schedule. Thank you.